me. Let me try to pull something up, but your forehead is kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy. Um, I don't know that it's not damn, but you just got like a really crazy.
Yo, before this video starts, I want to thank you guys for 300 subscribers. And as I promised, I'm dropping my first video, which is this. So let's go. Yo,
I think I remember your ugly ass.
nah, bro. A favor?
Yeah, what's up?
All right, so I'm gonna take this bonnet off, right?
Yeah.
I want you to roast me as bad as you can. I'm gonna have water in my mouth, and you have to make me laugh. You think you can do it? You can do it?
100% I can do it, bro.
All right, bet.
He's going first.
Hmm?
God damn. Hey, bud. You look like KSI's brother, bro.
Robert fucked you up. Oh.
And I'm gonna put water in my mouth, and I want you to roast me and make me laugh. You think you can do it?
Yeah.
All right, bet. Like that.
Mm. Damn, bro. At this point, just go bald, bro. Come on. Goddamn, man. Bro, literally, now, like, your price will get lower. You're not gonna be that expensive anymore. Like, you're gonna do, like, more hours at the field. You're gonna eat less chicken. Like, you're gonna play less basketball.
Yo. Yo. Can I waste like 5 minutes of your time real quick?
Why, man?
No. It's like so I'm gonna take this bonnet off, right? And I want you to roast me. I'm gonna have water in my mouth, and I want you to roast, make me laugh. Can you do that, or no? All right, so I'll take the bonnet off now. I'm gonna put water in my mouth first. I want you to roast me.
Are you streaming? You streaming? All right, I got a joke. How do you know when you're at a gay barbecue? The hot dogs taste like shit. Think about it. I almost got you. Later, man.
Yo, bro.
Was good, my nigga. God. I'm sorry, fam. I'm sorry.
No. All right, yo. Can I get like waste 5 minutes of your time though?
Yeah.
All right, so basically, I'm gonna put water in my mouth, and I want you to roast me.
I mean, I can't really roast. Hey, Rashad. Hey, look, I don't know if you can help me out with it, fam. If you could roast the fuck out of him, and he got water in his mouth.
Make me let me spit
Make
out.
him laugh. Make him spit shit out. You gotta look. Come over here, bro. Come on, fam. Make that nigga spit the water out. That shit. Put the mic on, bro. Here, put the mic on. Go ahead. Talk, nigga.
Fucking glow on that nigga head. I don't know. Shit.
Shit, that forehead on swole mode, boy. That shit look
Motherfucker
like
stretching.
that shit look like a goddamn box of Captain Crunch, boy.
Boy, that nigga forehead put the crack in the Liberty Bell.
Jesse Owens ran the track mile on that bitch.
Alright, bro. Alright, bro. Alright. Y'all got it. Y'all got it. But I'm not gonna lie, but if someone else talk about my forehead, bro, I'm done. Like, okay, we get it.
Could you pick a nonfiction book for me?
Well, are you guys twins?
Yeah. In a week.
Alright, yo, you guys down for a challenge right now?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright, so I have a water bottle and I have this bonnet, right?
Uh-huh.
So I'm gonna take the bonnet off. And I want you guys to roast me. I'm gonna drink water, and you guys have to try to make me laugh.
I bet.
You down?
Yeah. Wait. Spit it out real quick. So cute. What do we get out of this? Just nothing? Alright, that's fine. Okay, no, that's fine. Alright. Okay. Yeah, don't listen to our friends when they talk about it. But don't lie. They're big. They're wild. That is a real life monkey. He said that. No.
I just took it left like on MB.
I'm hopping off. That's it. I'm done. That was my last straw. Yo, what's up, man? No, shit's bad. Yo.
Yeah.
Alright, so yo, can I waste like 5 minutes of your time real quick?
What's up?
Yes.
So I'm gonna take this bonnet off, right?
Yeah.
I want you guys to roast me so bad, like roast me, and make me laugh.
Is this for YouTube?
Yes, this is for YouTube. All right, so I'm gonna have water in my mouth, so make it a little fun. All right, you guys ready?
Mia's the best. Do it.
All right, yeah, go Mia.
No, all of us.
All right, all of us. All right, fine.
My music.
Oh, yo, what the fuck is wrong with your fucking hairline? Oh my fucking god! Where the fuck is your goddamn motherfucking hairline?
Nah, bro.
It's like a whole ass fucking runway, bro. Oh my fucking god!
Bro.
What is going on with your hair too?
Whole fucking
your hair going crazy.
On your fucking mind?
Oh my god!
Oh hell no, bro.
I can't
roast him. I feel bad.
I kind of feel bad too. I'm done.
Oh my god. We made him spit out the water though.
Y'all got it.
Have a nice day.
You too. If I see one more nigga being, yo,
Can you rate her?
that's a nigga, bro. Come on, bro. Nah. Yo, what's up, bro?
Wait, hold on, bro. What?
Yo, can you hear me?
Yeah, bro.
All right.
Wait, what do you got on your head right now?
Hmm?
What's on your head, bro?
Oh, just my headset. But you think you can do something for me?
What you mean?
All right, so I'm gonna take this off.
Yeah.
And I want you to roast me, and make me laugh. So I'm gonna have water. I'm gonna have water in my mouth.
I'm not really funny though.
Try your best. You want to try? You want to try? All you have to do is roast me. It's probably gonna be pretty easy. You want to try?
Yeah, I'll try. Yeah, yeah. God damn. Yo. I ain't even got shit to say right now, low key. That shit bad, yo. Who pushed you back, low key? Yo. You asked him for a little bit, bro. He fucked you up, bro. Oh, 5? Oh, shit, bro.